So then guys, this device right here may just change the way you take notes, study or organize your ideas, and honestly it's blowing my mind. It is called the iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2, an AI-powered e-ink tablet that blends voice, handwriting and smart features into one sleek package. And before even digging in what it can do, let me tell you how I got it. I got mine from Joybuy. Super easy process and EU shipping was fast. Now, if you're wondering how to actually buy one on Joybuy, here's how simple it really is. Simply use the link that's in my video, and then after that, choose how many quantity you want for it, then add it to your cart, then go through the checkout like any other online store. You enter your details, select fast EU shipping, and that's it. And within a few days, it will be right at your door. But let's go into why this thing is so special. First up, writing feels real here. It has an 8.2-inch HD e-ink display with a sharp 1440 by 1920 resolution. The text looks crystal clear, and with the slim bezels and 24 level warm and cool reading light, it feels natural and comfortable for hours of use. The included Wacom EMR stylus makes handwriting super smooth and paper-like with no lag. Now, the AI side of things is where things get really powerful with this device. You can record your voice and it will transcribe it into real time up to 15 different languages. You can also write in your own handwriting and instantly convert them into text. And again, it can support over 80 languages to translate this into. So if you want to, you can write everything that you want down, translate it into a different language, and then send it on its way. And then there's the big one, AI meeting summaries powered by GPT-4o. Speak or record and the AINOTE automatically creates bullet point summaries highlighting action items and makes it super easy to follow up afterwards. And then another clever feature is the voice and writing sync. You can handwrite notes while the device records and then later tap any note to jump back in to the exact moment in the audio when you wrote it. It's perfect for students in lectures or professionals in meetings. And it's not just notes though. The AINOTE handles all kinds of documents, PDFs, Word files, PowerPoints, EPUBs, and lets you annotate them directly. With built-in task management, you can check off your to-do list, annotate documents, and everything syncs seamlessly to the cloud. And portability is a huge win. It only weighs 230 grams and around 6 millimeters thick, so it's lighter than most paperbacks out there. In fact, it's about as light as an iPhone 17 Pro Max. You can throw it into your bag next to your laptop or iPad and barely notice it's there. And I think the use case for the AINOTE Air 2, there are so many out there. Like I said, it could be for students, it could be for professionals. It could even be somebody who likes journaling but wants to store everything digitally. You don't have to walk around with notepads all the time. It's absolutely amazing. And if you want to grab one for yourself, just remember just to go to the link in the description of this video right now and add it to your cart, and make sure that you definitely pick that fast EU shipping when you go through, because it will be with you in a matter of days. So, final thoughts. This is not just another gadget. The AINOTE Air 2 combines your notebook, your voice recorder, your AI sister, and your planner all in one sleek package. So like I said, make sure you check it out right now. And with that as well, guys, it's time to wrap up the video too. Would the AINOTE be something that would be useful for you in your life? Well, let me know in the comments below. And with that as well, guys, it's time to wrap up the video too. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press the like button. As always, if you want to hear the latest Apple news, reviews, and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.